So Pepsi says the consumer is strong, and so does the retail industry. The National Retail Federation expects holiday sales to rise as much as 4.2% this year, which is more than last year. The group says the consumer is in good financial shape, but cautioned that confidence could be eroded by global risk factors like trade and political rhetoric.
And that forecast has been one of the few bright spots for the market this week as the manufacturing and the services sectors slow. Can the consumer keep our economy on an even keel? Joining us tonight, we welcome back Charlie O'Shea, the retail analyst at Moody's. Charles, always good to see you. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Bill. Good to see you.
What do you think? I mean, the forecast from the Retail Federation is growth of 4.2% in sales. That's much better than the average has been over the last 5 years. Do you buy those numbers?
Yeah, I think so. I think 4-ish, 4.2 is a little precise for me, but 4-ish, maybe some risk to the top of that. I just think the big guys are so strong right now, and they're going to drive pricing this holiday. I'd be concerned about margins. I don't think the top line is going to really be an issue because I think you're going to see the residual factors of Walmart and Amazon fighting that cage match that we've talked about in the past. And everybody else is going to end up having to play that game. So I think the revenues will be there. The question for me is, as it is every holiday, how promotional does it get and do the margins hold up?
Yeah, that was my question. How much, if indeed the economy is starting to slow a bit, consumers may be more concerned with that price point. So how much discounting or promotional activity do you anticipate?
A lot. I think that, I don't mean to sound flippant, Sue, but I think every year I say, and our team at Moody says, this has been a heavily promotional year. Is it more promotional than last year? But every year they get more innovative. The shipping is a promotion. And you're going to see a lot of that this holiday. That arms race is continuing. Amazon's next day effort is going to really ramp up this holiday. Walmart with same day availability of food on a shipping basis is a big deal. Everybody's playing catch up. Target's got shipped. It's leveraging that. So I think you're going to see a lot of promotions. The question is, or I think the thought is that they're not all going to be price focused. They're going to be convenience focused for the consumer.
Right.
But you end up in the same place as a retailer. You're cutting your margin.
Who are the winners this year?
I think the same suspects as usual. I think you're looking at the Walmarts, the Amazons, Targets, Best Buys. I think the TJXs of the world, Costco, Ross stores. I think on the apparel side, it's going to be interesting, and I won't call anybody out there just because I think it's too early there. But I think the big guys are well positioned to continue to flex their muscle and to extract share from the weaker.
Very quickly, you're not worried about the soft revenue that just came from Costco tonight?
Absolutely not. I think we're talking the second or third decimal place, and I think that, that's one of the top retailers in the world any way you measure it.
Charlie O'Shea with Moody's. Again, thanks for joining us tonight, Charlie.
Thanks, Bill.